Guys, welcome to the day 10 math task. This is also, if you're doing it on Google Classroom, this is the day 5, packet 5, week 2 math task. Today we're going to solve a math problem, explain your thinking with pictures, numbers, and words. That's the most important part, guys. We have to explain our thinking. Which of these statements is a lie? So we have two truths and a lie, which means we're going to have to solve these statements to figure out which one is true. We have equivalent statements. So I'm going to come over, and then you're going to create your own two truths and one lie statements. You're going to ask someone to find the lie. This is going to be a 5C collaboration activity. So if you're working on that badge, this is one that you can turn in. You need to ask someone to find the lie, then work with them to create even more statements. So if you are doing this one for your collaboration, make sure that you create your own and then add at least one that you created with somebody else. So how do we figure out which of these statements is true and a lie? We're going to look at the first one so we can figure out how to solve these together. If you're in my class, guys, and you have worked with Miss Major and Miss Major's class, the hands-on equations, if you've gotten to do that at the back table with me earlier in the year, this is essentially what we were doing. So let's go ahead and go to our smartboard. Alright, so we have yesterday's turkey roast beef ham written down. So we're just going to work through that first one, that 16 times 2 you're going to have to work through the rest of them on your own once you know the process. Equals 47 minus 15. So the first thing we need to do to find out if this is a truth or a lie is we need to solve each part of the equation. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go and we're going to come over here and we're going to do 16 times 2. So we have 16 times 2, and to show work for that, of course, we can do our box method, and this one ends up being a pretty easy box. So 16 breaks into 10 and 6 and our 2. So our 2 times 10 equals 20. I didn't make my box quite big enough. Alright, so that's 20. Thank you for bearing with me. And 2 times 6 equals 12. Remember, guys, I really hope you are working on your multiplication chart still because you will need them in 5th grade. So then we have to add our 20 and our 12. So we come over here, 20 plus 12. So we take 0 plus 2 equals 2. And 2 plus 1 equals 3. So that's 32. Alright, so we can bring this down, and that's 32. We're going to keep our equals in black. So now we have to find out 32 equals 47 minus 15. So now, guys, we have to do our subtraction. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to do the subtraction in blue. So we have 47 minus 15. We take this one place at a time. So our ones place is 7 and 5. So 7 minus 5 is 2. Then we subtract our tens place. 4 minus 1 is 3. We have 32. So this is 32. So now we have to ask ourselves, does 32 equal 32? Oh, it does, doesn't it? So here we found a truth. So here is one of our truths. You're going to have to figure out the rest on your own. But I hope now that you've seen how we can solve these that you will be able to do it a little bit easier today. Good luck. I can't wait to see your own 2 truths and 1 lies using math problems. And I will see you soon. If you need any help, make sure that you contact your teachers, and we would love to have you during our packet help sessions. We have those each weekday from 11 to 12. Contact your teacher for details. We miss you, and we'd love to see you there and do the work with you. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.